Yan, ito ang view ng castle. We're going to stay. Yan. Oh, have you seen there? There's a hot balloon on the side. Yan. Ang ganda, guys. Miss Daddy George. So, tingnan nyo yung ceiling, guys. Yan. So, ito yung loob, guys, ng castle. Yan. Yan. So, yung restaurant ng dyan. So, dyan din kami magdi-dinner mamaya. It's very exciting. Yan. Ang ganda, guys. Yan. Yan. Ito sa may labas lang, guys, ng bedroom namin. Ito. Tapos, yan ang ganda ng arch nila. Yan. Ito, another tower sa likod, guys. Yan, oh. Yan. Yan. So, ito yung likod, guys, ng castle. Yan. Hello, guys. This is our front door. This is the door for to our bedroom. Yan. Guys, surprise! This is our room. Tingnan nyo, guys. This is our room. Yan. Grabe ang ceiling, oh. Yun ang ceiling. And then, this is our bed. My frame. Yan. Yan. It's very, very cozy, guys. Yan. Feeling castle. Parang feeling princess. Yan. Yan. Ito yung ano namin. Yung bed. At saka yung fireplace. Yan. May fireplace, guys. Tapos ito naman yung window. Yan. Tingnan nyo yung curtain. Yun. Very high yung curtains. Yan. Tingnan nyo. Ang taas. Sobrang taas, guys. Tapos punta tayo ng bathroom. Tingnan nyo yung bathroom, oh. Yung pinto is very low. Tingnan nyo. Yan ang ceiling. Tapos yun ang ano. So, pasok tayo dito, guys, sa bathroom. Ito yung bathroom namin. Yan, may bath. O, tingnan nyo yung ano, yung ceiling. Yan, very unique siya. Tapos, yan ang window. Yan. Yan. Tapos ito. Ito sa loob ng bathroom. Tapos yan. Yan. Very castle talaga yung feel. Tapos, tingnan nyo yung ano. Yan. Punta ng toilet. Yan. So, ito naman yung pinto. Balik ng bedroom. Yan. Tingnan nyo, guys. Yan ang bedroom namin. So, dito kami ng 2 nights mag-stay. Treat ako ni Daddy. Continuously pa yung sa ano, sa birthday ko. So, ito daw. Yan. Grabe, ang ganda. Okay, guys. See you. Bye-bye. Yan. Cheers, Daddy. Cheers. That's for our dinner here in Castle. Chateau du Gisay. So, this is our first night. Yeah. Alright. Cheers, guys.